Hey, I'm just prepping for milling this piece of aluminum off just the surface, and I'm going to be running a PCD insert. You can see it in there. On the that's a BAP 300. I think it's a 12 millimeter. Can't remember. But yeah, I want to try and get a nice shot of this thing close up. So I got the camera mounts here onto a little carbon fiber thing with the 3D printed mounts, and the W axis can go up and down like so. So I think something like this is a good angle, nice and close up, and yeah, see how this looks, because I like to be able to get a nice camera angle for shots like this where I'm milling larger things, something bigger than what I was showing on the Vice before. With this camera angle, it's going to be independent from Z, but it's going to be moving with X and Y because it's parented underneath those two joints. And should be given a nice interesting angle, and might be good for like larger kind of machining of surfaces like this, where like if I'm moving around and I want to get close up of milling a certain part or whatnot, this might work for that. So see how it goes. Yeah, let's break something. Don't crash the camera. I'm gonna angle the camera down a bit. Just like that. hey, it's Future Me after looking at the video on the computer. And you'll notice as well, but I think one of these things, I think this thing was vibrating. That kind of sucks. But I think the biggest thing was the camera on the W axis here. It picks up every vibration. I think it's blowing out maybe the vicinity to the spindle. It's blowing out the audio as well. So maybe doing secondary audio source somewhere else further away might be a better option. And yeah, I think this, when it's moving on G0 moves, the whole thing is kind of just shaking quite a lot. So I think replacing this steel mount with something else. I might use a carbon fiber tube that's really thick. That might be a good option, and make an aluminum mounting thing that just attaches to the W axis there. And then just have some universal kind of things to swing it out and just have an angle, maybe like a 45-degree angle such as that would be really nice. And yeah, that should give a lot better video results recording when I'm machining. So like if I'm machining components down here and like the camera's moving around all like this and stuff, it should be a little more nicer on the viewer. So yeah, let's continue the video. So here's the results of the PCD. Not too bad. I do have some trim issues, so that's why you can see pronounced the edge there. Let's see if it's yeah, it's basically imperceptible with the finger. I'm gonna be polishing, like the parts I'm gonna make out of this are gonna be polished afterwards. Here's a pencil so you can have a better idea of how it looks. And then over here, notice over here it starts out really nice. And then over here, we have some problems. But I think this is because of the ball screw on my Z. So it's a SFU, well we can see it now, SFU 1204, and it's I'm going to be replacing that with the DFU 1605. So that should hopefully improve the surface finish here, so we don't get these odd marks where it looks like the tool is rubbing in the other direction. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Nothing too fancy, just really wanted to test out the camera angle here. I think what I'll have to do is, I haven't really looked at the video yet, but I have a feeling that right now I have the camera angle very orthographic to the spindle, so I don't really see anything along the path of the x-axis. So if I probably I'll probably have to mount proper like camera equipment and probably get a proper camera one day, but mounting it at a 45-degree angle, something such as this but zoomed in better, I think would give better results and look more interesting on video. Alright, that's it for this video. See you guys next time.